for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we're just going to jump head first into this video. We're starting off showing you how my husband and my son are painting the deck. We had our deck built probably about 3 months ago, maybe 3.5 months ago, and we had to wait about 30 days before we could actually paint the deck. So on this particular day, it was pretty hot outside, but my husband and my son went on ahead and knocked it out in probably about 2.5 days. Furniture for the deck. You can see the old furniture on the left hand side, and the new furniture is actually under the covers that we have. I ended up getting new furniture because Hawks, as you can see right there, our manager, decided that it was a good idea to basically take the pillows and rip them apart. So my husband is taking the time to put up the gazebo that I ordered. I did get this gazebo off of Walmart.com. I also got the furniture off of Walmart.com, as well as the egg chair off of Walmart.com, because they were actually having some really good sales. So several days have passed, and I am actually going to attempt to put the curtains up without my husband, but I realized that the way he put the clips in to hang the curtains were wrong. So I had to wait for him to come home, and we had to unscrew it, fix it, and then we were both able to put the curtains up together. So at this point, it was nothing else I could do, so I decided to wait for hubby, of course. I decided to go ahead on and spray down the pillows with Scotch Guard. So I went ahead and I took all the pillows out of the plastic, I lined them up, and I sprayed each one of them with Scotch Guard so I can get everything set up. Anybody else like me that starts doing something before you read the directions, and then you decide, oh, maybe I should read the directions to make sure I'm doing this right? Leave a comment down below. At this point, I wasn't really sure how I wanted the furniture to be set up. It was kind of a trial and error that I was trying to see how it would look, because I wanted to incorporate a few pieces of my old furniture plus the egg chair under this the gazebo. And I knew that I needed to be able to get it all under the gazebo and it still look nice and not cluttered. That was my biggest concern, for the gazebo not to look cluttered underneath. And so I watched a few YouTube channels and I saw how other people were setting up their furniture, and some people were separating it, pulling it apart, and it looked really nice. But again, it really depends on the size of your gazebo. So I was just really trying to figure out what was going to work best for my furniture under my gazebo, so that I could incorporate some of the other pieces from my last furniture set. And as you can see to the left, I have the corner chair and the table sitting right beside the egg chair that I was trying to incorporate as well. So I had to go in the house and find a couple of pieces that were not ripped or torn apart from where hawks got a hold of it, and I was able to get these couple of pieces. The furniture set in the back, we are going to get rid of it. I know that, you know, I could probably use it, but we didn't take the best care of it that we should have. So I did keep a very small section of it, and I kind of made it into a love seat in the corner. And then I added, what did I add? Oh, I have the fire pit over there as well. So as you can see, the hubster is home from work, and basically what he had to do was I'm gonna call them curtain rods, not curtain rods, hooks. The curtain hooks, you need so many in each space. And so what happened was, when he actually tightened up the space, there were not enough curtain rods on the sides that I needed. They were kind of all bunched up and gathered together, and I needed them separated. So that's what he was doing, helping me to move them so that we can hang up the curtains successfully. once again, time has passed and I am cleaning off my table. Some stuff waste on it. I wasn't sure what that was, but I was taking a Lysol wipe and cleaning down the table before I add my fall decor. You can see the rug is down and it is beautiful. It matches perfectly to the decor that we have. I am adding some fall decor on this particular day. The lantern that you see was blue when I hauled it, and I gave it a little bit of a facelift and I painted it that cream color, and then I just added all of those pieces that you see into that lantern. And if you guys pay attention, you'll see those were the pieces that I was trying to incorporate inside the house and it would not work, but it worked perfectly in that lantern and I was super happy about it. And I'm just going to be adding my fall pillows as well as my blankets, and then I'm going to show you a couple of pictures and this video will be over. So you guys, if you pay close attention, you can see where I created that little love seat, and then I have the other two chairs there in the background.